Ever had trouble finding the library option on YouTube? Well, I can say that you're not alone. So in this video, we've got a quick fix for you. So stick around as we show you how to get that library option back. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, begin by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This will help refresh your browser and might resolve any temporary glitches. Now, after doing this, restart your browser and check if the library option reappears. If that doesn't resolve the issue, now consider trying an alternative browser. Compatibility can sometimes be a factor, and using a different browser might reveal the library option. You need to ensure that your current browser is up to date, as outdated versions may have compatibility issues. Next is you may also want to experiment with incognito or private browsing mode to eliminate potential browser setting conflicts. This mode opens a clean session without stored data, helping to identify if the issue is related to your browser settings. Next one is examine your browser extensions. Temporarily disable them and see if the library option appears. Now, if it does, you can enable the extensions one by one to identify any causing conflicts. Also, for those who are using VPN or proxy, try to disable it temporarily, as this service can sometimes interfere with website functionality. Lastly, it's a good idea to check for any reported YouTube problems on the YouTube help page, because sometimes issue might be on YouTube's end and their team is actively working to resolve them. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.